Hello, this is your host Klaus, and today we'll be talking. Okay, before we get into what we'll be trading today, let's see what happened in the previous chat. Yeah, I couldn't make any video yesterday because I was more in the road and I was under a roof yesterday, so I was too goddamn busy yesterday, moving from one place to another. Then my phone crashed, so I had to go and fix it also. So very busy yesterday. I didn't even get online to like check how this letter panned out. So that's what I'll be checking currently. A loss. A loss. Like okay, loss see. You got in a year some profits. So you could have broke even here, honestly. As you got up to here, you could have moved to break even. So but ultimately you went on a loss, so bad, a bad trade. But it's still going down. Yeah. So as you can see, it tried to respect, came down, tried to respect, it went up, retested, went up some more, but couldn't break this level. Yeah. Couldn't break this level. So it came back down and it continued. So today we'll be talking about ultimately it's still going to reach its down, this sell there. So like I said it was a sell, and this was like a small bite to get up to this. Come, let me draw this line. I drew it to get up to here, then continue, but he had his own mind. So that is that. So we'll be dealing with let's see, make a copy. Let's get the chart first. Make a copy. This okay, AUD. Go 24 hours. See what's going on. Okay. Well, this kind of broke it a little bit, a very little bit. Yeah. So I broke it a little bit, and this is too far. Alright, but let's do some, yeah. So as you can see, this is sell. These are all the break of structures. We have another year, we have another year, we have another year, and let's map these two. We map this, we map this, then we have this that came up to this level, yeah. And then we also have something like here. When you get to the lower time frame, you see something of a shift around here, got us to this level here. That if we go to the lower time frame. So we are still currently on the higher time frame, as the daily time frame currently. So we're just trying to map out. I'm just trying to map out um, some stuffs here. Then you see a shift, you see new ones that took us down. So let's see. All right, let's map these out. Map that out. I know let's remove this for now. Shouldn't get up to here. I don't think it should get up to there. It should just be here. So we should go to the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame. Yeah. Okay. So now on the 4 hours time frame, we are trying to get what made this whole movement possible. So this it use this. Which I'm coming. Yes, yes, this is shift, okay. This is the shift. So there's a possibility of it using something of this nature. Let's see yeah, and we use this. Oh, yeah, use this specific one down here. And yeah, it will be this if we tested it anyways. It didn't get up to there, but there's an FVG here. If you can look, we had an FVG, but it was after we had 1, 2, 3, then FVG, not a very big FVG and fair value gap, but here we had a huge fair value gap here. So this is a fair value gap. Let's see. Yep, it got up to half of it. Still going down again. And yeah, it didn't really get up to here. Okay, if you use this, maybe you get this at the 1 hour time frame. You might get this at the 1 hour time frame. Let's see. One hour time frame. Okay, okay, and this I think this is what I was talking about, yeah. And you would have gotten it on the 1 hour time frame probably. But anyways, we should go back to the 4 hours. I'm trying to like create a narrative. Let me understand what the market is actually doing before we go to like a new. Let me remove this. I don't like occupy space and then you so this like that kind of, yeah. We have this one here, but it didn't respect this particular one here. It came up to this level here. So running here, yep. Okay. Excuse me. It didn't get up to here. We have an average around here, which is, I would say it came down. It cleared the FVG because this is the end of the FVG. It came below the FVG. Probably why this particular one came very down. So I feel this is liquidity grab. So it's going to go up, and then we put this as our current high. This is our current high. So this 4 hours, back to 4 hours, sorry. Let's create a narrative one, yeah. Retested, shift, shift, you, another one, choose you. We have a minor one, yeah. And then we have something of shift yeah. So if you want to buy, wait, before we talk about anything about buying, I want to almost equal, almost equal. So okay, we'll put this, yeah. This is a possible buy. I'm not saying you should buy. I'm just saying this is a possible buy, not a like 50%, not a 60% or 70% kind of buy, more like 40-50% kind of buy. Why? Because it's looking like it might break this, if we break this, then it will continue itself. But if it comes in, goes up, break this level, yeah, it has to break this level, yeah, probably break, retest, then it will go up. Yeah, that would be your buy. But I'll just put long. Like I said, it's not okay. We will put our long at the top here. So once it goes down, breaks up, yeah, it will be a long. Then your SL will be around here. Yeah. So let's go to 24. I want to draw a Fibonacci. I want to check some Fibonacci. Yes, 20, almost at the 30. Then it came back down. So yeah, if it goes back up, that will be your entry. Then your first TP should be here at least 30. Your second TP should be here 40. Now this I think that is the 50%. Then we have the 60, the 70. You can take it all the way to this top. But this is your first TP. This is your second TP. I would say highest, I would say you should go with this 50% here. This is 0. What is it again? 0.5%. That would be the highest I would say you should go for the buy. That you can just let the restaurant. Let's say you're getting on a trade and then you get up to here, then you can close partials, maybe. Then maybe leave the rest to run. If it reverse, you still know that you got some profit from it. So that will be it for this. I think I'm rushing this my analysis too much and it's kind of not all that clear based on what I'm seeing. Or is it just that it's too clear to the point that I'm feeling like I am analyzing something that ain't good? But anyways, this is just what I'll say I'm seeing. And then there's slight average around here. So there's a possibility. Okay, this let's come back to the come back here. We tested this one. This one was here. This one we tested this one. There's an average here and also an average here. So I don't know if it's going to come back to fill up this. If we'll just go up. So I'll just put this close here. So I like if it hits, we'll be sure that it hits another. So thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe, follow, subscribe, like, and give a comment. And you can still criticize my analysis if you feel I'm not doing it very well, and still cheat because I'm still kind of learning, and I want to still improve um my trading ways, which is why I started this whole thing to put like my journey, my diary. Yeah. So yeah, thanks. Hope we'll meet on the next episode tomorrow. I might analyze gold tomorrow, or I'll just get into the crypto kind of things. But for yeah, this is what I have for today. So thanks.